If you're watching this video, you've decided you want to scrape leads from Twitter. You're basically like, I want to reach out to people using Twitter or email, and I want leads for the same. And I heard that Sawmill, this sales gen platform, has an inbuilt Twitter scraper, which is dope because it's not only very affordable, like it just costs me $1 to get contact information of 500 people, email addresses, like usernames, everything. It's pretty affordable, but it also ensures like my profile does not get banned because they don't use my profile to scrape the leads. Anyways, you've decided to give it a go, and before you place your order, just follow this video, just follow the instructions in this video in order to ensure that you don't make any mistakes and you don't waste your money. Firstly, if you're an Indian and you want to pay via UPI, just click on this thing, like this chat thing at the bottom right corner of your screen. Just click on this, copy this exact link, and you can open it up in a new browser, and then you'll be able to get access to this using like UPI or basically like UPI or net banking, which is pretty popular in India. Alternatively, you can just enter your name and phone number as well, and I'll be more than happy to help you. If you're facing any issues, just do that. And yeah, just that. And you can text me on this WhatsApp number. Plus, you can click on the link over here and you can pay via UPI or net banking. Anyways, you'll find the instructions over there. I'll not go into more depth. If you have decided you wish to check out using card if you're not from India, then this is what you do. You enter your name over here, your good name, just your name. Like, I don't think so it's extremely difficult to understand what does name mean. After that, enter the exact email address where you want access to the leads. Like, once you have generated the leads, once you have scraped the leads using our own infrastructure and servers, then we'll be sending the leads to you via email. This is what it kind of like looks like. So we'll give you the link via email to access the leads. So please ensure that like you're entering the right email address, because if you enter the wrong email address and you don't receive the leads, then it's not our fault because you entered like a random freaking email address. So please ensure the email address is the one which you actually use, the one which you actually have access to. Once you've done that, simply enter your WhatsApp number or your Telegram number so that we can contact you in case you're facing any issues, any errors, any difficulties. Yeah, just a simple way to communicate between me and you. So yeah, ensure your phone number is correct. After that, you can either like, how this basically works is, like, I'll give a simple example. Let's say your niche is business owners. A lot of business owners on Twitter, they'll be following Alex Hormozy. So instead of like searching for them manually, we can scrape all the people, like the contact information of all these 700,000 people which are currently following Alex Hormozy, and we can then reach out to them. So we don't have to like go through all the corners of Twitter to find the leads. We just find one person which is being followed, or the person who follows the people who we want to sell to. And then we either scrape the contact information of his followers if he's being followed by our ideal customer profiles, or we can scrape the people which are being followed by this person as well, if he is following the people we want to reach out to. Hope that made sense. If you're not able to understand this, just let me know, like reach out to me and I'll be more than happy to help. Anyways, just find one profile who is being followed by, or one profile who is following the people you want to reach out to. And yeah, basically that. And after that, you need to copy their exact username. The username is not their name, this thing over here. Below their name, this is like, just simply search for the person. Like, let's say I'm searching for Alex Hormozy. Just search for the person, and after the @ thing, after this thing, the exact letters which are over here, you just need to copy this. Like, right click and click on copy, or you can click on like Control C, Command C on Windows or Mac respectively, and just copy their exact username. Let's say if I wanted to target like agency owners, I know agency owners will be following like Iman Gadzi, so I can copy his exact username. Like, username does not include this @ thing. The things after the @ will be included in the username. Just copy this and paste it over here. Just paste it. Once again, do not include the @ thing. The exact username of the profile you want to scrape, just enter that, whatever it is. And please ensure you do not enter the @ like double check it, triple check it. Ensure there is no errors, because if there are errors over here, the entire thing will be flawed. We'll be scraping some random person's followers or following, and you'll not be getting the results that you want, and you'll be wasting money. So please don't enter a random username. Ensure the username which is being entered is the correct one. After that, you can decide if you want to scrape the contact information which of the people which are either following him. So you can decide if you want the contact information of people which he is following, meaning the people which Iman Gaji is following, these 59 different people, or if you want the contact information of the people which are following him, all these different people who follow Iman Gaji. So if you want people who are following Iman Gaji, if you want the list of people like the followers of Iman Gaji, then you select this. If you want to scrape his following, basically the contact information of people who are following Iman Gaji, sorry, which he is following, then you select like following. Just once again, simple. If you want these followers, then you select followers over here. If you want following these 59 people, then you select following over here. Whatever it is, it's totally up to you. You can decide that. After that, you write down how many profiles you want to scrape. Like what is the total number of contact, like the total number of people whose contact information you want. And this should be in multiples of 500, meaning a minimum of 500 people is required. And 500 profiles cost you just like $1, so it's extremely affordable, just a buck for 500 people's emails, contact information. I think it's pretty freaking affordable. In the future, it might go up, so don't quote me on that. It will never go down, only up, because costs will rise as time passes. So yeah, more on that later. Like not to worry right now if whatever price you see over here. Anyways, just write the exact number. Do not write numbers like 750, 273. It should be in multiples of 500, meaning it's either 500, 1000, 1500, 2000, 2500, 3000, 4500, 5000, 7500. The number which you enter over here, it should be perfectly divisible by 500. And if you don't know what multiples of 500 are, like something is probably wrong with you, just enter the exact number of email addresses, like the exact number of profiles you want to scrape. So for example, let's say I want to do 500. Once you've done that, you divide this number by 500. So let's say if you're scraping 5000 profiles, 5000 divided by 500 is going to be like 10, basically 10. So you'll have to pay like $10, and in that you simply click on this thing and you tick it and you increase the quantity to 10. Basically, one unit of this allows you to scrape 500 profiles. So if you want to scrape 5000 profiles, then 500 multiplied by 10 equal to 5000. So you need to like select 10 in the quantity, click on the plus button. If you wanted to scrape, let's say 2000 profiles, 2000 divided by 500 is 4. So reduce the quantity and just click like ensure it's 4 over here. Pretty simple, I know it's not very complicated. So $1 gets you access to 500 profiles. If you want 2500 profiles, just enter 2500 over here and ensure like 2500 divided by 500 is 5. So just click on flash, like click on a plus button until unless the quantity is 5. So yeah, just ensure like this matches. So if there's a difference, like if you're paying for like let's say 2000 profiles and you enter 2500 over here, the order will simply not go through and your money will not be refunded in this case, because like bro, come on, like you're lying, man. Like you want to cheat the system, whatever. It's pretty sad on your part. So if this and this does not match exactly, your profile, sorry, your order will be cancelled and there's no refund available on this. So ensure it matches correctly, it matches perfectly. Basically the amount of profiles you enter over here, firstly it should be in multiples of 500, 500, 1000, 1500, 2000, 2500, 3000, 3500, 4000 and so on and so forth. And multiply that, sorry, divide that by 500. Whatever the number over comes, like 3000 divided by 500 is 6. The quantity should be exactly that. It should be 6 over here. Not 5, not 4, not 7. 6 exactly. Until unless these two things match exactly, your order will be cancelled, even if you pay. So please don't try to act over smart or something like that. Anyways, once you come here, you just simply enter your card details. I know it's pretty simple, like nothing too complicated. Just enter your card details and click on submit. And in 2 to 10 minutes, your order will be processed. In 10 minutes, you'll receive an email like this: your first name, your Twitter leads. You'll receive this email with the link to access the leads, and you can open this up in Google Sheets. You can access it. I'm not going to show it because YouTube hates me. I'll probably be uploading this on YouTube, and YouTube hates if you show contact information of people. So I cannot show you the leads, but you'll get the exact spreadsheet via email in 10 minutes. Once your payment is successful, you'll also receive a link to join my Telegram or my WhatsApp channel. So if there are any issues, if you do not get the emails after 10 minutes and you've paid, then you can simply drop a message over there. I'll be more than happy to help you. Like, we'll get it fixed. Don't worry, your money will not be wasted if there is an error on our end. Your money is completely safe. Once again, if you're not seeing the emails after like 10-15 minutes, please ensure you've gone, like, open up your email and go. Sometimes it might end up in spam as well. So open up your email and go to spam as well. Just go to spam once. Yeah. So go to spam, and yeah, you can maybe find it over here. And if you don't find it over here, you can also maybe check promotions once as well in your inbox. So yeah, just go through spam, promotions, all those folders in your email, and you'll have it in like 10 minutes maximum, not more than 10 minutes. Yeah, that's it. Have a beautiful, lovely, fantastic day ahead. Take care. If there are any questions, you can reach out to me via Telegram or WhatsApp. Anything works. Have a beautiful, fantastic day ahead. Bye, man.